Everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Hopper. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up the Hopper app. So let me do that. So once you get to your Hopper app here, so what you're going to do, you're going to look for any hotels or anything that you wish to book. But I think just to keep in mind, I'm pretty sure at this moment Klarna is only available for hotel reservations made by guests in the US only at this time, so just keep that in mind. So it might not work for others, and also it also varies depending on the region. So for example, I'm going to book this hotel in San Francisco, so let me just proceed with it. So when I proceed with it, so what you can do now here, just continue. I'll just get to the payment page, so just get on continue. Okay, I just want to get straight to that payment session way. All right, I'll just use these guest details. That's fine. All right. Okay, so when I get to here, continue to payment here. So here, depending on your region, you will have like various other payment options, but in my region I only have the card options. So as I said earlier, if Klarna is available on your on your region, especially for your hotel reservations in the US, then you should see Klarna, that you should see the Klarna option and you can just choose that. If not, what you can do, you can always use this add a payment method, and you can always use this card method. So for card, what you can do, you can now add your Klarna card, your Klarna digital card, and then you can proceed with that. For example, if you get to your Klarna app, so you have your one-time digital card here. If you need help with generating the one-time card, we have a separate video in our channel, you can look into it. So what you can do, you can use this Klarna prepaid card here. It's actually a Visa card, so we can pretty much use this as a debit, or as a debit card here, and then complete our transaction. So that's so you can pretty much like enter your Klarna card details here and then proceed with the booking. So as I said earlier, so this only works for certain in certain regions and for certain reservations only. So keep that in mind, and then see and have a try it and see how it goes. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.